So recently I found out that this company is not a church. You know what it is? It's a rocket. Welcome to the newsroom. So, yes, today we're taking a look at another EV rumored SPAC. This is ticker CCIV. In this video, I'm going to look at the technicals, find a good entry point. If what you like by the end of the video, you want to get in, we're going to figure all that out. But first, what we're going to do is look at the rumors. There's a lot of rumors speculating whether or not they're going to be buying out or acquiring and merging with Lucid Motors, another big EV contender, just like Fisker, Whisker, and Ride. So they all want to be the next Tesla, the next NIO. These guys have the potential, and right now they're very cheap at $15.04. So first, let's look at what this company is, what do they do, what are the rumors, and how likely this thing is going to be factual that they're going to merge with Lucid. So right now it's just rumors. Let's dig in, figure out what it is, and at the end of the video, I'm going to do technicals on this stock, figure out where the best entry point is and where I think this stock is going. So, like I say, grab a drink, grab a cocktail, sit back, learn something. That's what this channel is all about. It's showing you the upside, the downside, and digging into the company, figuring out what it is. Because on this channel, we're not goldfish brains. We don't just, open up a video just to find out what is the stock, I want to buy it if it's good. It says buy in the title, I should buy it. No, that's not what this channel is. This channel gives you information. It helps you learn about the company and both scenarios, both possibilities of this going up and it going down. Let's dig in. This is Churchill Capital. This is the CEO and chairman, but not Mr. Michael Klein. So Michael Klein has been our chairman since 2019, blah, blah, blah. He's on the chair board of the Blank Check SPAC company. So you can look up Google and find out more about him, but this is who the butt nut is. Okay, so here is where the rumors all began that they're possibly looking to merge with Lucid. Came from a Bloomberg article. Lucid Motors is in talks to list via Michael Klein's SPAC. So right now the stock is lingering around high 14s, low 15s, still fairly very cheap if this merger is actually going to happen. So we're trying to dig in and find out if this is actually factual, because this will be a great investment if it is. If it's a rumor and the rumors don't work out, this thing will plunge straight to its death until he announces another speculative rumor. All right, so here we go. Bloomberg. Okay, so here's what the article says. So Lucid is looking to go public through a SPAC with Michael Klein. A transaction could be valued at up to $15 billion. Asking not to be identified because the matter is private. Lucid, which is backed by Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund, is working with financial advisors. The people added, the talks are ongoing but could still fall apart. Key words. Representatives for Lucid Motors and Klein declined to comment. So Bloomberg somehow got this information. They leaked it out. They're writing about it. Both parties, Lucid and Klein, denied it. So here is a fireside chat that Mr. Klein had yesterday. I just want to play the first bit of this fireside chat just to show you what one of his minions said about the rumor. Here we go.
Of you asking about a specific news report from Bloomberg yesterday. I just spoke to Michael, and unfortunately, he is in a difficult position and cannot address that at all. But we have plenty of other good things to talk about. Michael.
Okay, so just by hearing that, he is not denying it. So they can't announce it, first of all, because they're in the middle of a deal. They're rumored. He can't say, yes, it's happening, but we can't discuss it. He can't say that. He can say, no, it's not true. So he didn't deny it. He said that we cannot comment on this. So to me, using my bird eyes from a distance, unbiased, looking at this from a good perspective, I think this means that they are in talks. Okay, they are conversing about the matter, seeing if it makes sense. It could still fall through, though. That's my opinion. Let's keep digging. So this is Lucid. If you don't know who Lucid is, they're coming out with the Lucid Air luxury sedan. It's going to start at $70,000. So this is a high-end luxury vehicle. Very nice. 1,000 horsepower. This ain't no granny's car. No, this is an EV, and EV likes to go fast. So you can reserve it now. You can explore the Air. So they don't have any vehicles that they are selling now. The Lucid Air is coming out in the future, just like Fisker, Whisker, and Ride. These are this company's doing sort of the same thing, but high-end luxury sedans. So we're still digging into the rumors. I got a few little saucy bits we're getting to, but first I want to take a look at the institutional ownership. So right here on the NASDAQ, we could see that it's institutionally owned by 28%, which is good. It has room to grow. You know, it's not a huge number, but that's definitely a number. It's good. It's starting out. So we have 55 new positions for a total of 58 million shares. That's quite a bit. Down here, you could see all of the institutions that have bought this: Sculptor, Weiss Asset, Millennium, Polar, TIG, LH Healthcare. You could look into these companies and see what they specialize in if you want to do a little bit of a deep dive on your own and get your own hands dirty. But that is the institutional ownership, 28% and growing. Okay, now this is a bit of the saucy part. I got two saucies I want to show you. So here's the first one. So if we scroll down, right now I'm on Lucid's website looking at their job openings. All right, so if we scroll down here, we just keep scrolling. There's a lot of openings for this company. That's a very good sign. They're looking to hire. Okay, finance and accounting. We have SEC reporting manager they're looking for. Why would they need an SEC reporting manager if they're not going public? This is a green flag. This is the first green flag we're finding to show that they are looking to possibly be listed on the markets. Here's another one. Director of Investor Relations. Come on. If this isn't a sign, what is a sign? I don't know what a sign is. If this is not a sign, this is a sign. So Director of Investor Relations, green flag. We're connecting some dots. It's looking very good that these guys are looking to go public on the markets, but we still don't know who it's with. Is it with this SPAC? Is it with them? I don't know. Is it with the church? Now, I have another saucy bit that I want to show you. This one is very saucy, so don't go nowhere. This one's super sauced. All right, so if we go back to Lucid's website, we could go down here to Company, Board of Directors. Now, look at this. This is super saucy. So, Andrew Liveris, or Liveris, whatever. This butt nut is the chairman of the Lucid Board of Directors. Okay, nothing interesting there. But now if we go back to the Churchill Capital website, here's Michael Klein. If we go up to here to team and we go to operating partners, look who it is. It's Andrew Liveris. What is going on? Wait a minute. You're telling me this butt nut at this SPAC that's in rumors to merge with Lucid is on the board at Lucid? What? Did we just connect some dots? What is going on? This Andrew guy's double dipping. They forgot to block out his photo and make it blank. They should have changed his name or something. We also got Turkey. We got Turkey on here. But the key is Andrew. So Andrew's on Lucid's board and they're on Churchill's. Not the board, but on the operating partners. A little bit more distance, a little more branched off. What is that about? Is that just a coincidence? I don't know, but I do know it's saucy. Okay, so let's recap before we look into the technicals and see if there's a good entry point on this SPAC. So we got Andrew Liveris that is working on the board of Lucid, and he is also connected with Churchill Capital. Boom. We also have the comment where they denied it, where they didn't deny it. We have the comment to where they just said they cannot comment. He did not decline it. He just said he can't. We also have the job listings on Lucid's website that are related to the stock market, investor relations, SEC, all positive things. There's a lot of dots connecting here that is leading towards this actually being acquired by the church. Okay, so right now this stock has actually been lingering around 14 to 15 over the past few days. It's actually chilling in this range right here. Whoop. Whoop. It's chilling in here. So if I think these rumors are true and I think that the news is going to drop very soon and it's going to work out, this would be my zone of buying. Anywhere in the 14 to 15.50 range would be a good range. I would also go half position because if this thing plummeted, maybe just because of sell-off, not because of news, I could always add into my position. So this would be a good range. It's been lingering around 15 all day. So what I see happening is if the FOMO kicks in, the hype kicks in, and these rumors start getting more and more saucier, this thing could start to touch up. 1550 would be our first resistance test. Boom, breakout. If it clears 16, we're off to the races. We're off to the races. Probably a big institution bought in, and this thing's going to go skyrocketing to the roof. Not too high, probably 17, I would say. But when that news drops that they are merging with Lucid, through the roof. Through the roof. $20, $25 price target short term. Downside, if there's no news, So, you know, on my channel, I like to have an upside and a downside. So if there is no more news and the rumors start to fall apart, you know, we maybe hear a few things that Lucid maybe makes a comment, no, we're not thinking of merger with them, this thing's going to plummet. It's going to nosedive. So nothing is certain. So this can come down. 1450 would be my get out if I'm buying in the 15 range. And then it could even plummet deeper down into the 12s if this news is denied. So I'm watching this stock very closely. If you want to know if I get into this, I do stock alerts. Link is in the description. You'll get a bing right to your phone when I buy, sell, reduce, add, or go all in on this stock. Check out the link in the description if you're interested in that. That's it. I'm Hawkeye in this thing. I'm watching the leaks, the rumors, the news. I'm connecting the dots. So hit the subscribe if you like the channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, by hitting that button, it's doing magical things. It's getting you a little bit closer to retiring young.